Yeah, so hello, good morning and welcome to Craft with Bella Jane. My name's Lynn and this is a very short video just explaining that I had a right disaster last night. I recorded 39 minutes of video making this folio and of course it's corrupted and I just can't open it at all this morning. So there we are. The other thing is, I'm just saying that I thought I'd not got enough papers and found this paper, which I actually was working on upside down. So I had all this paper that I could have used. But in the end, I used 6x6 papers that I had in my stash. The yellow, you can see I've used to line the pockets. And then there's the pink flowers, which I've used also. There they are, you can see them in there. Lots of pockets, lots of ephemera, and I'm just saying there that I'm going to make a twine closure with an eyelet hole, which I do at the end. And yeah, lots of little bits and pieces that I've put in all the pockets. I haven't actually decorated it because it's so busy. It doesn't really need extra decorating. So I've just left it be and I've put all the bits and pieces in the pockets. So whoever gets it, whoever buys it, can do their own thing with it. And yeah, I'm very pleased with it. I had a plan. It was all marked out how which way round, the direction of each piece. So you know which, don't know what I'm saying there about that. Saying I'm going to put it all together and put it with the folio in my coffee shop, I think. It's hard to remember. This is the third time I've recorded this voiceover, to be honest. First time I didn't even record it. So, yeah, and the other thing, yeah, so I was going to change it, the direction of it, and then I decided not to because I'd already, that's the correct direction now. Everything's right way up. So I'm going to leave it like that. And those are on the back there, a little pocket. So yeah, it's fine. And once it's got a closure on it, it'll be fine. And I'm just saying there, it needs a bit more inking around the outside. So I'll use, on top of that green, I'll use some vintage photo. So here's the twine. I'm just saying the twine is perfect for this little project because it's very gardeny, isn't it? So yeah, so just put a little eyelet in there and then wrap the twine around and tie a bow and it's a perfect little closure. Anyway, so the other thing I was saying was, please excuse the fact that with all the stress of everything, completely forgot I was still in my dressing gown. So I don't know whether I'm the first person to ever record a craft video in their dressing gown, but I'm probably not. I won't be the first and I won't be the last. So, I mean, does it matter? No, I don't suppose it does. There you go. I'm just saying there. I'm in my dressing gown. So, yeah, so we put the closure on and close it up, and then that's pretty much the end of this video. I put some pictures on at the end because obviously you didn't get to see me making it in the end. So there we are. It's so frustrating when you do 40 minutes of work and then come to upload it in the whenever and the next day or whenever, and it's totally corrupted. I mean, I've heard other creators say this has happened to them, and you can hear the frustration in their voices, and I know now exactly how they feel because it's the first time it's happened to me, and I've just had to bin them, and it's just horrible. So there we are. That's pretty much it. And if you could possibly like, subscribe and comment, I would be really, really grateful. I've really been putting out a lot more content recently, and I'm just saying bye-bye there, obviously. I've been putting out a lot more content recently, and the channel is really growing, and I'm up into the mid 800s now, and think about 840 something. So yeah, I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hope you like this little video, and yeah, I mean, it was fun making it, and thanks to Seven Plaza. Bye-bye.